I'm using milk cotton yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. To work this stitch, you need to chain a multiple of 17 plus 4. So I'm going to chain 17 times 2, which is 34. I'm going to chain 34 plus 4. So start with a slip knot and chain 34. I have my 34 chains, then I'm going to add 4 more to get to 38. So that's my starting chain. To begin row 1, we're going to count 1. We're going to yarn over first, then count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the 4th chain, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 to complete a double crochet. Then from here, we're going to do a total of 7 double crochets. So this will be the first. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So in total, when we count the first 2 stitches, which is the chain 3 and the double crochet, we have 9 double crochets, but that will only be in the beginning and at the end. Next, we're going to yarn over, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, work into the 3rd, and this will be the first double crochet, like that. Then we're going to do another 6 double crochets, so that together with this one we have 7. So this will be the second double crochet. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So right here we have, I like to call it a dip. So when you go down, this is a dip. Then the next one is a high where we're going to go up. So into the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook and do a double crochet. Then chain 2 and go back into that same stitch with another double crochet. So we have a dip and a high. Then for the next 7 stitches, we're going to place 1 double crochet into each of the 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So next we dip. So we dipped, we went high, then we're going to dip again. And to do that, we're going to yarn over, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, into the 3rd, place a double crochet, and count 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. At the end, you should have 1 stitch remaining, and that stitch will get 2 double crochets. So that's 1 and 2. So that together with the 7, we have 9 double crochets. So we have 9 double crochets at the end, 9 double crochets at the beginning, but in between we have 7 and 7. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. After turning, we're going to start in that very first stitch, yarn over and place a double crochet into it. Then the next 7 stitches will each get 1 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Like that. Then we're going to skip the next 2 stitches. So yarn over, skip this, and work a double crochet into the next one. This will be the first double crochet. We're going to work a total of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That will get us to the chain 2 stitches, and right there we're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet. For the next 7 stitches, we place 1 double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then next we skip, yarn over, skip 1, 2 into the third double crochet. So that's the first double crochet. We do a total of 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we have the chain 3 at the end, and that chain 3 is going to get 2 double crochets. So yarn over and place 2 double crochets right there onto the chain 3. So that's 1 and 2. And we have the second row done. Then chain 3 and turn. Begin in the first stitch with 1 double crochet. Then place 1 double crochet into the next 7 stitches, and row 3 is exactly the same as row 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then skip 2 stitches, so yarn over, skip 1, 2 into the third. We place the first double crochet and count 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Into the chain 2 space, we place a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet. For the next 7 stitches, we place 1 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then next we yarn over and skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Right there we place our first double crochet, then do a total of 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The last stitch is a chain 3, and we place 2 double crochets into it. 1 and 2. And we're done with row 3. This is what we have. For row 4, again we repeat row 2. So this is a 1 row repeat. We're just repeating row 2 all through. So I'm going to do row 4. Then I'll show you how to change color in row 5. So chain 3 and turn. Begin in the first stitch with a double crochet. Then 7 double crochets into the next 7 stitches. 1 into each one of them. Yarn over and skip the next 2 stitches, and then do a total of 7 double crochets from here. Into the chain 2 space, we do a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet. Next we have 1 double crochet into each of the next 7 stitches. Then we skip 2 stitches and work a total of 7 double crochets. Two double crochets into the chain 3 at the end. We're done with 4 rows. Then we're going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through and fasten. Then turn your work. Get the next color that you want to join. Start with a slip knot. Insert the hook into the first stitch and slip stitch. So right here, do a slip stitch and fasten. Then as we work that row, we're going to work over these 2 ends. Chain 3. then go back into that stitch with a double crochet, that very first stitch. Then a total of 7 double crochets from here while working over the ends. We are done working over the ends, so we leave them over there. Then yarn over and skip 2 stitches. Then count a total of 7 as usual. So we're just repeating row 2 after reconnecting the yarn. Double crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, another double crochet, 7 double crochets, 1 into each of the next 7 stitches. Skip the 2 stitches right here, work the first double crochet and work a total of 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then 2 double crochets into the chain 3. Chain 3 and turn and keep repeating row 2 until you have the number of rows that you need in this color before changing into the next color. 4 rows with this shade of green, and at the end I'll chain 1 and cut off the yarn, pull the yarn through and fasten, then I'll turn and add the next color. So you just keep on adding the colors and working the rows that you need until you get to the length of whatever you're working. So this is just an illustration for a small size. If you want maybe to work a skirt, you're going to consider your hip measurements and you're going to chain a multiple of 7 that gives you the hip measurement that you're working. I used the stitch to make this skirt over here, the chevron maxi skirt, and I'm totally in love with this skirt. I can't wait to make a top for it. If you're interested in recreating this skirt, there's a link on the description box. Go click on it and watch the tutorial to the skirt. I also went on to create a dress using the same stitch for a client, and it's amazing, right? So let me know in the comment section whether you really understood this stitch and if there is anything more that you need for me to explain for you guys, or did you get to understand it better than you did before? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share the video widely so that we can have more people watching the video and also subscribing to the channel.